Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome back guys. To all my new viewers, hopefully subscribers, I want to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, viewers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the link down below, the big red button down below that says subscribe, so you'll be subscribed. Thank you. And please click the bell icon so you get notified anytime I post. So today, as you have read by the title, today I will be creating, we're going to be doing this challenge. We're going to be selecting one product to use for our makeup tutorial. But first, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be choosing, which one am I going to choose? I'm going to be choosing this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one. Yeah guys, I chose this all-in-one by LA Colors. Is a lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, something. So that's it. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, this one I'm going to be using. I've had this for a long time, but I've been looking for the chance and the opportunity to try it. So over to you. Hey guys, comparing this with that. So guys, you guys should watch out and see what we're going to do. As you guys can see, we've already done our brows, we've put on our foundation, done everything. The only thing just to see which of these products are going to make our makeup pop. I haven't done my eyeshadow, I haven't done my lipstick, nothing. It's just bare face. So I'm going to see who wins. Let's do this. I actually like the shimmer on this thing. Almost done. I finished though, we staying there. Wow, it's really beautiful. And yeah, I'm done, guys. Let me just, I don't know if mascara is allowed. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on mascara. And see. So yeah guys, I'm done. Yeah guys, we're done, and this is the finished look. Please guys, this is the completed look. I don't know if you guys can see, but this glow is impenetrable. Like, I just like this so much. It's really nice. So guys, if you guys like this video, please comment down below, rate our makeup from 1 to 10. Which of us did better? Which product came out best among the both of us? So yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully you see my next video updated, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.